So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi! Trick or treat! Whoa! Do you know what trick or treat is from? Yeah, Halloween! And do you know what people decorate their houses with? Jack-O-Lanterns! Yeah! Jack-O-Lanterns are pumpkins that they carve pieces out to make silly faces with. And they look really cool. So first, let's take orange because pumpkins are orange. And then let's draw a circle, but it's not a normal circle. It's a squished down circle, as if you squished it from the top and the bottom. And then let's draw some lines. Yeah, so then we can give it some texture. But then we need a stem right up here. Just like that. There you go. Whoa! And then for the silly face. Whoa! Let's draw some triangles. There we go. There we go. And for the mouth. There we go. Oh, 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 ooh. Yeah, like a tooth. Well, if you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I P-P-I, Blippi. See you again. Trick or treat.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi, Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!